Every gardener knows the struggle. You walk into a store, spot a beautiful planter, and then look at the price tag. $40, $60, sometimes even $100, for a single pot. Suddenly your dream of a lush garden filled with character and color feels out of reach. Your backyard, porch or balcony looks plain and unfinished, and every time you glance at it you think, if only I could make it look beautiful without spending a fortune. But what if I told you that everything you need to create stunning designer-style planters is waiting for you at the Dollar Tree? Yes, those same aisles filled with simple everyday items hide treasures that with a little imagination can completely transform your space. From mop heads to laundry baskets, even colanders and rope, all it takes is creativity and the right touch to turn them into planters that look straight out of a home and garden magazine. Welcome to Timeless Gardening, the place where beauty blooms on a budget. In today's video, we're diving into the world of DIY planter ideas, 10 incredible Dollar Tree flower pot hacks, and DIYs that will make your garden look elegant, stylish and full of life without breaking the bank. Whether you want that cozy farmhouse charm, a modern concrete look, or a touch of boho elegance, there's something here for every taste and space. So grab your coffee, your glue gun and a few Dollar Tree finds, because by the end of this video, you'll see your garden in a whole new way. And if you love affordable gardening, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a timeless idea. Now, let's step into the heart of creativity and explore the first Dollar Tree planter idea that will completely change how you see garden decor. Hack number 1. Dollar Tree Mop Head Hanging Planter. Who would have thought that something as simple as a mop could become a beautiful hanging planter? At Dollar Tree, the mop head's soft cotton strands can be transformed into a stunning faux macrame hanger that adds instant boho charm to your garden or balcony. All you need to do is detach the mop head, secure it around a small pot using hot glue or metal rings, and let the strands drape naturally. The result looks elegant, handcrafted, and surprisingly high-end, a style you'd expect to see in a boutique store, but made for just a few dollars. You can even paint the strands off-white or beige, for that soft natural finish that complements any outdoor or indoor decor. What makes this hack truly special is its texture and movement. When the wind blows, it sways gently, giving your garden a sense of calm and life. It's perfect for hanging in small patios, porch corners, or near a sunny window. For plants, choose trailing varieties, like English ivy, string of pearls, or pothos to create that lush cascading effect. Add a few wooden beads, or wrap jute rope around the rim for extra flair, and you've just turned a cleaning tool into a timeless piece of art. Hack number 2. Solar Light Planter Tower. If you've ever wished your garden could glow beautifully at night, this hack will make that dream a reality. Using a few Dollar Tree planters, a sturdy dowel or rebar, and one of their solar lights, you can create a stunning lighted planter tower that looks like something straight out of a luxury garden catalog. Start by stacking the planters vertically through the center dowel, securing each with a bit of glue or filler for balance. Once the structure is steady, spray paint the planters in matte black, stone gray or bronze, to give them that elegant modern finish. Top the tower with a solar light, and as the sun sets, it automatically glows, adding a warm, inviting ambiance to your pathways or porch. What makes this hack so unique is how it blends beauty with functionality. It's not just a planter, it's a garden feature that shines both day and night. You can fill each tier with vibrant flowers, like petunias, marigolds, or sweet alyssum, letting color spill down the sides. The soft glow of the solar light highlights your blooms after dark, making your garden come alive even when the sun goes down. All for less than the price of a coffee. Hack number 3. Faux concrete planters with baking soda paint. There's something timeless and elegant about concrete planters, but they often come with a heavy price, and even heavier weight. With this Dollar Tree hack, you can create that same high-end look, using simple plastic pots, paint and baking soda. Start by mixing acrylic paint with a few spoonfuls of baking soda, until it thickens into a grainy texture. Dab it onto your plastic pots, using a sponge or old brush, and watch the transformation happen right before your eyes. Once dry, the pot takes on the look of raw concrete, matte, textured and beautifully natural. To enhance the effect, layer shades of gray, taupe and ivory, for a stone-like finish that looks designer-made, but costs less than $5. What makes this hack special is its ability to elevate simple materials into modern artistry. The finished planter fits effortlessly into any style, minimalist, boho or farmhouse. It's perfect for pairing with plants that complement its clean look, like snake plants, lavender or succulents. For outdoor use, seal it with a clear spray to protect it from the elements. This simple project adds a touch of modern sophistication to your garden or home, proving that style doesn't have to come with a big price tag. Hack number 4. Planter made from laundry baskets. Big statement planters can transform a space, but their prices often make us settle for smaller pots. This Dollar Tree laundry basket hack gives you a large stylish planter for a fraction of the cost. All you need are 2 plastic laundry baskets, a handful of zip ties, and some spray paint. Start by placing one basket upside down on top of the other, open ends facing each other, and secure them tightly with zip ties. Once they're locked together, give the entire piece a few coats of spray paint. Terracotta, bronze or metallic gold all work beautifully. Line the inside with a trash bag or landscape fabric to hold the soil. Cut small drainage holes at the bottom, and your large DIY planter is ready. It looks substantial, elegant, and surprisingly professional. What makes this hack unique is its scale and affordability. For under $10 you can have a planter large enough to hold bigger plants like hostas, hydrangeas, or small palms. The height and shape make it perfect for framing entryways or adding drama to patio corners. Add decorative stones on top of the soil for a clean, polished look. This project proves that you don't need expensive materials, just creativity and the right touch to build something grand. Hack number 5. Garden boot planters. Nothing adds more charm and personality to a garden than a touch of whimsy, and this hack delivers exactly that. Take a pair of old rain boots or pick up a colorful pair from Dollar Tree and give them new life as unique planters. Start by drilling a few drainage holes at the bottom of each boot. Then fill them with potting soil and your favorite blooms. You can mix and match boot colors for a playful look or stick to one tone for a coordinated garden theme. Set them on your porch steps, along your walkway, or at the base of a tree. Instantly they become an eye-catching display that sparks joy every time you see them. What makes this hack stand out is its nostalgic and creative flair. It transforms something ordinary into a delightful garden statement piece that kids and adults both love. The tall, narrow shape of the boots is perfect for flowers with bold color and upward growth, like pansies, zinnias, or geraniums. You can even use smaller boots for herbs like mint or basil. Add a little garden gnome or fairy figurine beside them for an extra dose of fun. This hack reminds us that sometimes, the most unexpected things make the most beautiful planters. Hack number 6. Rope-wrapped farmhouse planter. If you love that cozy farmhouse or coastal cottage vibe, this Dollar Tree hack is a must-try. All you need is a plain plastic pot or bucket, a few rolls of Dollar Tree jute or nautical rope, and a hot glue gun. Start at the bottom of the pot and carefully wrap the rope around, securing it with glue as you go. Continue wrapping until the entire pot is covered, then trim the end neatly at the top. You can leave it natural for a rustic look or paint the rope white or gray for a coastal feel. The texture instantly elevates a simple pot into something that looks handmade, warm and inviting. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor spaces. What makes this hack unique is its blend of simplicity and texture. The natural rope brings warmth and earthiness that pairs beautifully with green foliage and bright blooms. It's perfect for small plants like rosemary, basil, or hydrangeas, creating a homely farmhouse charm. For extra detail, you can add a twine bow, a wooden label, or even stencil on a word like grow or bloom. This easy DIY project proves that with a bit of creativity, you can turn a plain pot into a timeless decorative piece that fits any style. Hack number 7. Colander hanging herb planter. Here's a hack that's as practical as it is stylish. Dollar Tree colanders already have built-in drainage, making them perfect for growing herbs without the worry of soggy roots. Simply spray paint the colander in your favorite color, attach chains or sturdy rope for hanging, and fill it with soil and your chosen herbs. Hang it near a sunny window, on a porch, or even in your kitchen, and you've got an instant green accent that's both functional and decorative. The natural perforations allow excess water to drain easily, keeping your herbs healthy while adding a unique visual element to your space. What makes this hack special is its combination of style and functionality. You can grow kitchen favorites like basil, parsley, thyme, or oregano, making fresh herbs easily accessible while adding a charming decorative touch. For added flair, line the inside with coconut coir or a mesh to prevent soil from falling through, and consider painting the chains or rope to match your kitchen or outdoor aesthetic. This simple, clever hack transforms a basic kitchen tool into a chic planter that brings life, aroma, and style to any corner of your home. Hack number 8. Planter wall. Using Dollar Tree cooling racks. Vertical gardens are perfect for small spaces, balconies, or fences, and this Dollar Tree hack makes it easy and affordable. Start by attaching a few Dollar Tree cooling racks to a wooden frame, fence, or wall, using screws or zip ties. Once secured, you can clip or tie small pots and baskets directly onto the racks, creating a lush multi-level display of greenery. Spray paint the racks black, white, or green to blend with your outdoor space, or leave them metallic for an industrial touch. This setup not only saves space, but also turns an ordinary wall into a striking garden feature that draws the eye. What makes this hack unique is its space-saving design and versatility. You can grow a variety of plants in a compact area, from succulents and ferns to trailing ivy or small flowering plants, and mix colors and textures for a dynamic look. It's also easy to maintain. Pots can be removed individually for watering or pruning. For extra charm, add fairy lights along the racks or small decorative hooks to hang garden ornaments. This planter wall proves that even a small balcony or backyard corner can become a vibrant, living showcase. Hack number 9. Stackable tiered planter, using plastic bowls. Maximize your space and add a modern twist to your garden with this tiered planter hack. Using Dollar Tree plastic bowls of different sizes, you can create a stacked tower that's both stylish and practical. Start by gluing the largest bowl at the bottom, then gradually stack smaller bowls on top, securing each layer with strong adhesive. Paint them in marble, ombre, or stone-inspired shades to create a chic finish that elevates the look from simple plastic to designer planter. This compact vertical design is perfect for small patios, balconies, or even tabletops, giving your garden a sense of height and visual interest without taking up much floor space. What makes this hack unique is its space-saving elegance and creative versatility. You can fill each tier with miniature plants like succulents, cacti, or small flowering plants, arranging them by color or texture for a dynamic effect. Add faux plants if you prefer a low-maintenance option, and use decorative stones or moss to cover the soil for a polished finish. This tiered planter proves that with a little imagination, simple items from Dollar Tree can be transformed into a sophisticated garden feature that's both functional and visually stunning. Hack number 10. Mirror mosaic flower pot. If you want to add a touch of glam and sparkle to your garden or patio, this mirror mosaic hack is perfect. Using Dollar Tree mirror pieces or small mirror tiles, you can transform a plain pot into a reflective, eye-catching centerpiece. Start by carefully breaking the mirrors into smaller pieces if needed, then glue them onto the surface of your pot in a pattern you like. Mosaic, random, or geometric. Once all pieces are secured, fill the gaps with grout, or simply leave them for a modern, edgy look. When sunlight hits the mirrors, the reflections create a dazzling effect that brightens up any space. What makes this hack unique is its play with light and texture, turning a simple planter into a piece of art. Pair it with plants that complement the sparkle, such as peace lilies, white begonias, or ornamental grasses, to highlight the reflective surface. For extra durability, seal the edges with clear varnish, especially if the pot will be outdoors. This creative DIY proves that even inexpensive materials can produce a high-end glamorous look, making your garden or windowsill truly stand out. And just like that, we've explored 10 creative and budget-friendly Dollar Tree planter hacks that can completely transform your garden. Each idea brings its own unique style, from playful and whimsical to modern and elegant, proving that beautiful garden decor doesn't have to come with a big price tag. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these Dollar Tree planter ideas, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Timeless Gardening, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a creative garden hack. Share your favorite DIY in the comments below. We'd love to see your garden creations.